Shopping online? What if you could earn more cashback without spending more? Let CashbackAnt show you how. You jump from one cashback site to another, comparing rates, checking fine print, trying to catch the best deal. It takes time, drains your energy, and even then, you still might miss out on real savings. There has to be a better, smarter way. CashbackAnt is your smart cashback navigator. It compares rates from top platforms like Rakuten, Top Cashback, and Befrugal, all in one place. Start earning cashback in 3 steps. Step 1. Just Google CashbackAnt. Head to the site and search for any store or brand you want. Step 2. Instantly compare real-time cashback rates across multiple platforms. Click through your preferred platform and complete your purchase. Earn cashback directly through them. Stop guessing. Start earning. Visit cashbackant.com and make every purchase smarter.